So this video is going to show you how to put a new operating system onto an SD card for your Raspberry Pi. It's quite a simple process. I'm using a Windows computer and it has an SD card slot. If you haven't got one, you'll need an SD card adapter. So the first thing we need to do is go and get the operating system and the piece of software that you need to actually do this process. That's called the Win32 Disk Imager, and you can get this in the download section of the Raspberry Pi website. This is the piece of software that allows you to put the Raspberry Pi operating system onto the SD card. You must use this and not just copy over the files, otherwise it won't work. So, first process, it goes down and it goes to my downloads file on my computer. And here it is there. I've already got a copy of it, so once you've opened it and installed it, it pretty much looks like this. And the next stage is for us to go and get the operating system. So it's Raspberry and Wheezy that you want, which is the current one. There's two ways to get it, either the torrent or the direct download. I've gone for the direct download in this demonstration. I've opened up the page and it should come down. There we go. And depending on your speed of your broadband, it could take quite a few minutes, so please be patient. As I say, mine points to my download section of my file structure here on Windows, and what I'll go and do is go and retrieve that in a moment. I've already got a copy actually as well, just to save time, and I've got that on my desktop. So while that's coming down, we'll go and open up that and I'll show you how to do the process. So here it is. As you can see, it's coming down, but I've already got a copy of it stored on my computer here on my desktop under Raspberry Pi OS, so we're going to use that one for this demonstration. So next stage is to go and get our SD card, and we need to put that into the computer. So here's the operating system I've got already. I bought from RS, and it's already got the operating system on it, in fact an old one, so I just need to put the new one on top of it, and pretty much the piece of software will obliterate anything that's on there when you write over the top of it, so don't worry about taking the files off that you've got there already. Now my SD card is my F drive, and I've just checked there, as you can see, in my computer. So I need to point the software to the F drive. So if you come back up to the Wisting Disk Imager, I'm going to go, first of all, choose F drive as the point of destination for the software, and then I need to go and browse for the operating system. So as I said before, yours will probably be in your downloads section if you're just downloading it now. I've already saved mine into the Raspberry Pi OS folder that I created, so we're going to take it from there. So if I click on that, as you can see, it goes into the Win Disk Imager, it points to disk F, and I go right, yes, and the process will start. Now this can take quite a few minutes, so please be patient, and while that's being written, just be careful that you don't eject it too quickly. Please make sure it's finished, and when it has finished, the best thing to do is to go and eject the SD card. So if you go back to my computer, if you're on Windows, and your SD card, and if you right click it and eject, then that will make sure that the process is completely finished and the image is ready to use. So that's it. Once you've got the image done, fire it up onto your Raspberry Pi to make sure it works, and you're away.